Good afternoon, guys. Today is Wednesday and time check is, what time is it now? 2 o'clock ng hapon. Nandito ako sa car kasi susunduin ko lang yung anak ko dyan sa my school. Kakatapos ko lang mag-work pero wala naman kailangan ng madaliin. Kaya pem-pem na lang muna dito. So, sobrang init. Ngayon, kailangan kong buksan yung window. And, yan. And then, siguro mag-ano ako guys, magbili ako ng another chicken, yung whole chicken. Gagawin ko ulit siyang chicken adobo kasi masarap. And mamaya uwi na din si hubby. Si Mr. uwi siya galing Copenhagen, and actually 1 night lang naman siya doon. Normally kasi pumupunta siya doon every 3rd week of the month. But then since na umuwi kami from Pinas, hindi na siya nakapunta doon kasi it's something like parang hindi naman kailangan, pero sa ngayon may kailangan doon gawin, kaya nandun siya. And I really don't know kung kailan siya uwi, ulit babalik doon. Maybe in 3 weeks or maybe, you know, we don't know. Sometimes nag-2 nights siya doon, sometimes 1 night lang. Bihira lang siya mag 2 nights doon. Yun lang kung mayroon siyang ibang mga ka-meeting doon. So, sa Copenhagen mismo. So, minsan gumagawa siya doon ng, ano ba, mag-meet siya ng mga customers niya para mag-tunay siya doon kaysa naman na pabalik-balik siya doon. So, ginagawa na lang niyang isahan. And, what's up more, yung pasyente ko today guys is like, okay naman siya. Okay naman siya nung tinulungan ko siya, you know, sa upper and lower hygiene. But then nung bibigyan na siya ng, alam mo yun, insulin ng kasama ko, ayaw na niya, nag-change na yung, alam mo yun, yung yung ugali niya, or ano ba ang tamang rights yan, nag-change na yung behavior niya. Tapos nagsalita na siya ng hindi maganda, yung ano ka, parang mamamatay ka tao, parang ganun. Wala naman siyang problema nung binigyan ko siya ng gamot, kasi sabi ko sa kanya, bago ka kumain, kailangan mo yung gamot, kasi para sa paa mo, dahil yung paa mo is maga, dahil sa, alam mo yun, pag natutulog siya kasi guys, sometimes yung dalawa niyang paa, nakalaylay ba sa bed. So, kaya yun na mamaga. Meron pati siyang ano, diabetes type 2 ba yan? Yung may insulin or yung 1? Hindi ko maalala. So, may binibigyan siya ng injection every day. So, yung behavior niya talaga nag-iiba-iba every single day, every, you know, seconds. Basta segundo lang yan guys, iiba na yung behavior niya. Pero kung kilala mo siya, kung paano mo siya i-handle, wala naman problema. May mga kasamahan lang kasi ako minsan ba na yung pinipilit nila na tara na, tulungan kita ganyan. Pagka tumaas na kasi yung boses niya at pagka tahimik siya, wag mo nang ulit-ulitin kasi masisira lang yung araw niya, buong araw. Pag nag-bad mood pati siya, parang almost whole day siyang ganyan. Yeah. So, ngayon, mauuwi tayo and maganda yung araw. Mag-drive na tayo, guys, at daanan natin yung anak ko doon. So, ayan guys, yung aking package.
Wow! Why is it big? What's inside?
Mag-unbox tayo na. You have to, also, find yung isusuot mo sa kasal.
I really hope that I'm gonna be selected. Ano. Wait. Hello, Rose and Reina. Oh my god. I'm writing to you regarding a new crime series for Netflix called Recival. I can see that you have sent us an email expressing your interest in participating in this series. I would like to inquire if Reina have the time and willingness to participate on the following day.
Red.
See, I told you have to participate.
Tuesday, May 28, 11:30 to 21. Location, Wilbeck, Schillen, as guest at a family pool party. In the scenes this day, there is a cozy family pool party at an estate, but suddenly the detective Aicha or something like that interrupts the party because she thinks she has seen a missing girl called Ruby at the party. But Aicha is wrong and she panics and suddenly asks all the guests at the party to show ID and visums, resulting in a lot of angry guests. We
Compensation.
Yeah, with a regular salary of 750 DK, 12.5% like holiday pay per day. Additionally, we provide food and other refreshment. If this is something you have the time for, I can send further details. Email. I hope this works out.
And I say yes.
Yes.
You're gonna be on Netflix.
But they gonna send details more because I said yes to that.
Yeah.
Yeah, so they gonna send more details.
Oh my god! 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 I can't believe it. To be honest, I give up everything about being an actress. I'm not gonna be an actress on this thing.
But at least.
But yeah,
Hindi ka ba katulog?
I don't think I can. And it's literally this month. In like what? In a few weeks? 2 weeks? 3 weeks?
2 weeks.
I cannot believe.
Guys, unboxing ulit tayo. Oh, makati ang ilong ko. From About You. It's like that. Yeah. So, this is what I ordered.
This is what I ordered.
And guys, ito. Ay, nagmura na lang kasi din siya. Wow. Diba?
What brand is that?
Only. Diba? See?
I like it.
Nice one. Then, dalawa lang naman items. And, oh, what is this? And this one, guys, nag-order ako. Kita ating bra. Kasi nag-sale siya. Ano na lang ito? Mura na lang siya. So, mayroon na akong blue. Mayroon na akong green. So, light green lang. Ooh. Oh, diba? Yeah. Yeah.
Kuya, ano oras na? Tapos yung work ba?
2 o'clock. And this.
Wait, can I try recording?
Ah, diba?
Look.
Nice.
Ooh. And this is the jacket.
Okay. I like it. So, this is enough na. Pero I think sandals na ano, na beige ang kukunin ko. Yung parang light brown. Yung parang beige na ano, ang dating niya. So, di ko siya ipabalik. Di ko to i-return. Nakontak man na ba yung Sarah? Kailangan mong tawagan. Yung Sarah mismo na ano ba?
This wet.
Meron silang Hello Press. Dito kasi kung gusto mong bumili, meron siyang code. Ito pag ni-return mo. Dapat kasi may ganito sila ba, oh, return ano, sticker. Ayan. Ito yun. So, itong ano, nagmura na lang talaga siya. Kasi yung blazer naging 170. Kasi yung blazer 175 na lang. Tapos yung itong sandals is 149 na lang. Kasi ano to siya? 400 to eh. Yan na. Wala. Yan na yung last. No, it's all about about you. I will see kung match siya doon sa dress ko.
Oh my god! This is fantastic. I'm so glad to hear that. I'll send an email with preliminary or something like that information before the end of the week. Take a look at it when you have time and confirm back like the email when it's been received and read. Remember to check your spam folder as it sometimes ends up there. Have a wonderful day. Best regards, Oscar.
So yeah.
So I'm actually oh my god. Oh my god. No, that's insane.
Sometimes, diba? Katapos ko na mag-exercise, guys. 30 minutes. Hirap talaga magpa-sexy. Pagod. Hingal. Hingal! And ayun sila sa loob, bumili. Hindi na ako lumabas kasi naka training clothes. Tsaka wala, hindi ready. So nag-send na lang ako ng pera pangbili. And pagdating ko sa bahay, I'm gonna take shower and yeah, mag-prepare ng yung ready to sleep na. And while hindi pa ako matutulog, pero nakasuot ng ng sleeping wear. So I think mag-budgeting tayo, guys, is what I've said, and at the same time mag-edit, and hindi kami manood ng movie kasi may tomorrow, mayroong pasok. And yung anak ko nga is excited doon sa guys, yung sumali kasi siya sa isang maging extra or guest sa isang crime. Hindi ko alam kung series or film na ipapalabas sa Netflix. So yes, he's very excited, and it will be on the 28th of May. So kailangan kong i-cancel ang aking appointments sa Tanlane, or not Tanlane sa English, sa Danish, but then sa dentist kasi aayusin or pipicture yung ko. So mag-set ako ng another date, or mag-asa ko ng another date kung kailan pwede, kasi yung specialist kasi na dentist kailangan doon that time. So Monday, Friday lang talaga siya pwede. So I hope na nangyayari dyan? I hope na agad ako ng time na hindi tumagal yung sa dentist. Kasi pag pumunta man ako sa dentist kasi, so it takes, hindi alam kasi parang tatagal mag-take ng picture pa, x-ray yung dito ko kung kamusta na. And yung ng anak ko is 11:30 doon sa Copenhagen, and it's more than 3 hours kasi yung drive doon, so hindi namin maabot. Kahit na sabihing matapos ako ng 9, 10, 11, so 2 hours lang, hindi pa rin talaga siya maabot. So kailangan ko talagang i-cancel yung aking and then suportahan ko na lang siya kasi yun naman yung gusto niya. And kasama din si Mr. and sasama din tayo yung anak kong lalaki. So yun. So looking forward, and Tomorrow, wala akong work sa mismong work ko. But meron akong extra work sa ibang nursing home or elderly home. Home for elderly. Mga from 2 o'clock to 9 ng gabi. So, maaga naman akong makauwi. And this is it for today, guys. Thank you so much. If you haven't subscribed my channel yet, please do subscribe. And thank you so much, guys, sa mga nanonood sa akin at sa manonood pa ng aking vlog. I love doing vlog, yung mag-filming. That's what I love kasi sabi ko, while I'm young, kailangan kong mag-take ng film or mag-filming para, alam mo yun, buhay yung memories. So, yeah, yan yung reason kung bakit nagpi-filming ako ng daily life dito sa daily vlog. So, thank you so much, guys, and bye for now.